So you guys, are you actually experiencing those back pain and you've actually been wanting something to help you, get rid of the back pain, like neck pain? This is the most effective backache remedy and neck ache remedy that you can find, you guys. This is very effective and you are definitely going to be loving it, okay? Because when you try it out, you're going to be seeing you're going to be seeing it working for you really well. That's it. So the first ingredient that we need here is our garlic. You know that garlic is one amazing powerful remedy, you guys, that helps so very much, and it also removes fats. It takes care of some minor illnesses in the body. So you're welcome back to another interesting video. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video and share the video, you guys. All right, and also don't forget to keep watching to the very end so you can see all of the amazing ingredients that I'm going to be using here for this back pain, neck pain, and other illnesses in the body. So I just got my 3 cloves of garlic, and then I'm going to be opening this all up. So after that is done, you guys, there's 2 ways in which you can do this. Is either you take it as a tea or you take it as a juice. Alright, so anyone you like, but today I'm gonna be doing a tea for you guys, which is very strong. So after that, then we're gonna be cutting it into pieces. So I'm gonna be cutting it, alright, so we can make a very nice tea. Alright, you guys, now this is an unbelievable drink that would 100% restore any bad vision. It's a very effective drink for bad vision, you guys. So you're welcome back to another interesting helpful video, and please don't forget to thumbs up and share the video. Now I'm very sure that this drink would effectively help you when it comes to your bad vision. Alright, so what I have here is my aloe vera, my fresh aloe vera. You guys, you have to use fresh aloe vera for this particular drink, okay? So I've actually cut this aloe vera and kept for some while, and this is how it used to be when it wants to, when it's dry. So now I'll have to be cutting off the aloe vera and then I'll wash it off, because I'm gonna be cooking everything with the back part of it, since it's actually tea. Okay, you guys, so now let's chop in pieces. Alright, so this is one tea that you don't have to joke with when it comes to your vision, you guys. So we're gonna be putting that into the pot. And then again, when it comes to the vision, you guys, you need to take care of it using your red onion. Okay, the red onion is basically what we're gonna be needing for this. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare it, and then we're gonna make sure it is clean. Now, onion is a very essential ingredient when it comes to naturally getting rid of bad eyesight, glaucoma, and for those people who actually, you know, smoke and all of that, it is ideal you take fresh red onions once in a while, and so that you don't in the future develop bad eyesight. All right, so I'm going to be cutting this into pieces in a circular shape. All right, you guys, so after that, then we're going to transfer that into the pot. Okay, so again, you guys, we're going to be making use of turmeric. This is a fresh turmeric. All right, I also have the turmeric powder, which is what I'm not going to be using. I'm not going to be using the turmeric powder, but I'm going to be using the fresh turmeric for this, because it's play a greater role in taking care of the eyes. Like, it's just like a preventive, you know, ingredient for the eyes. Okay, so even if you don't have bad eyesight and you don't want to experience it, okay, so you have to try it just with this turmeric. So this is how we're going to be so I'm gonna be washing that off immediately. So now I'm gonna be cutting it into the pot, you guys, because when I keep it on my chopstick, it's gonna stain. It stains very, very well. And here we go. So now we're going to be making use of just lemon, just a little bit of lemon. And what we're going to be doing here is that we're going to be cutting the lemon here, and then I'm going to be squeezing in just the juice of this lemon. Into the pot. So you guys, after doing that, we're going to be putting water. So I'm going to be putting about 2 cups or glasses of water. Alright, you guys, so this is my drink. has actually been boiling for the past 3 minutes, right? Everything has actually marinated inside perfectly well. Okay, so I'm gonna be bringing it down from the fire and then allow it to cool down. All right, you guys, so here is my tea. It is properly boiled and is ready. Okay, so this is my 100% tea that would help you get rid of any eye pain whatsoever, any eye problems whatsoever. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna be getting a jug. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm basically gonna be turning my drink into my jug, just like this. And then I'm gonna turn everything inside. So this is how you're gonna just keep your drink. Okay, so this is perfect. Yeah, so this is your tea for any eye problem. This is 100% high problem remedy tea. Okay, all right, so when you want to take this, you grab your cup, okay, and then you serve yourself. And there you go. So I love to put all of this inside of my drink because it gives me that, wow, this is just all of the natural thing that I'm taking inside of my body. Okay, all right, you guys, so this is it. Perfect. Okay, so when you want to drink this, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna take this once every evening when you want to go to bed. Okay, you take this once in the evening, and then it's gonna help you to effectively restore your bad vision. This is unbelievably effective, you guys. This is very effective, and you are definitely gonna be wowed with this particular drink. Go give it a go, and you're gonna definitely come back to me to tell me thank you. So if you're having high pain, high redness, glaucoma, cataract, if you're having itching, like your eye is itching you and all of that stuff, don't worry, just go drink this for some few days, let's say 2 weeks. Make sure you are very consistent, because when you're not consistent, it's not going to, it's gonna break, like the effectiveness is gonna break. Okay, so you have to be consistent for like 2 weeks. Just, you can see, just store this, make it only once and store it in your fridge, so whenever you want to take, then you can just pour it inside your cup, drink it. This is very healthy, this is very effective, and it will not only take care of your eyesight, it will also flush out toxins in your body, leaving you very healthy. Okay, all right, you guys, so let me take mine. Wow, this is nice. It tastes like food. Tastes like food, literally. So you don't have anything to lose, you guys. Go give this drink a try, and I'm very sure you are definitely going to be loving it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in another video. God bless you, and bye bye.